Green Robotics has designed and developed the country's first autonomous drone defense dome called Indrajal. The firm has stated that an Indrajal unit has the capability to autonomously protect an area of 1,000 to 2,000 square kilometers against threats such as UAVs, incoming weapons, loitering munitions, and low RCS targets. The firm has stated the development of Indrajal was critical because manual weapons and point-based defense systems can't fight modern warfare, which is driven by AI and robotics. For the first time in India and many times, globally rogue forces have adopted cutting-edge technologies such as UAVs, smart swarms, etc. Jammu Air Base on June 27 was attacked by such technologies to drop explosives next to the Mi-17 hangar, Green Robotics noted in a press release. It adds that point defense anti-UAV systems will not be able to counter and protect large defense bases, NCR and linear infrastructures like international borders and such sensitive areas against increasingly modernizing threats such as the PLA, which is already toying with advanced weaponry. A minimum of 300 systems are required to be deployed to protect the entire western border, and this is financially not a viable option. On the contrary, 6 to 7 sectorally deployed Indrajal systems with their seamless connectivity can protect the entire western border, reads the release. Explaining how Indrajal works, Green Robotics noted the autonomous defense or weapon systems is the third revolution of warfare. Indrajal's design principles are based on delivering such autonomy to the defense forces. It leverages a combination of 9 to 10 modern technologies that are powered by artificial intelligence, AI, cybersecurity and robotics. Indrajal is capable of identifying, assessing, deciding, acting and evolving autonomously in real time. Whether the threat is single or multiple or a combination of UAVs, low RCS, loitering munitions and such, Indrajal is capable of countering all such threats, noted the firm commenting on Indrajal. WGCDRMV and Sai Reted, CEO Defense, Green Robotics said, "I urge the defense leadership to take an integrated and comprehensive approach against all the UAVs, loiter ammunition swarm drones and low RCS threats with indigenously developed autonomous defense systems. Conventional defenses will be overwhelmed in a swarm attack scenario, and an AI-enabled autonomous dome with its own ecosystem of sensors and processing is the way forward. The process of establishing a fully functional system is an evolutionary process and needs technology vision and user involvement."